how to change your Walgreens account password step by step. So in here, the very first thing you want to do is simply get into your walgreens.com and then make sure that you are logged into your account. From here, you can simply tap on the account option right here and tap on sign in order to write all of the credentials of your account to sign in, right? So you can also use the application version of it. It really does not matter as long as you are signed into your account. So after getting signed in, you will actually be able to get into the home page, and from here again you'll need to tap on account, and if you are logged into your account, now you'll be able to see the option of personal information. So tap on that personal information once you get into your account, and then from there keep on scrolling until you find login and security. Tap on login and security and then you'll be able to keep on scrolling until you find the password option, and you'll actually be able to see a edit button next to the password option. Tap on that edit button and then type in your current password, enter your new password and submit it, and just like that you'll successfully be able to change your Walgreens account password. So if you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below, or else that will be it for this video.